Just sit again and hear myself.
Not sure how that noise is being made. I was trying to help the little dude. He kept trying to fly into the skylight from in here and into the thing I've now removed. And maybe he's just afraid and somehow it's tapping, and he was doing something with his mouth along those lines when he was over here, and I was trying to help him to find his way out. I'm going to leave him and walk away. That was my original plan. I don't know. I don't think it's coming from him. I could be thinking he's down. I don't know. Oh, bud, I'm gonna leave you to it. As I said, keep saying. It's like you can hear the same noise as me. Like, he's trying to fly through there. It's lights come through, but it's not transparent. And he's just going for the light. It seemed good, but because I think he was tangled up, but he had it at least once, maybe twice tangled up in the thing that was here. I'm going to remove my bite from where you are. Yeah, and other than throwing a towel over you, which I don't really like to do, because it might be the most efficient means, the safest to remove you. It's tricky because I don't want to encourage you to try and fly to the thing, and by getting out of your way, I figure it's the safest and best way, and you don't. Yeah, we're right. You're right with me in a sense, and I'm right with you. I try not to cause you any additional. Maybe I don't know. He's doing that as far as the. Because his mouth was doing it at a similar rate to that before, but he's not doing that right now. Maybe that's above. Yeah, well, come this way. Come this way, mate. Matey. It could be his foot tapping. He's afraid, you know. Hey, bud, you come this way. Yeah, come towards me. How about that? Instead of me, come this way, young. Come on, this way. Come on, this way, mate. I was trying not to be anyway. Maybe you'll come on, little bud. Yeah, come on. You're right. This way. Yeah, over. You're right. Okay, come this way. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, come this way. Come on in. Often the sound they don't see me. You okay? Come this way. Yeah. You can walk on the ground if you want. Or you can fly. I've removed the thing that has caused a bit of strife. You'll be right. Hey, little bud. Come this way. Yeah. I promise. You're right. I'll keep an eye out, and you'll be fine to walk out or fly out. Come on. Yeah. You got cobwebs on you because you kept going up into the thing. So you realise that, I'm just reiterating. Come on then. Come here. Little mate. Yeah? Come this way, you'll be right, I promise. Come on. Yeah? You're okay, mate. Come this way, you'll be right. I'll keep an eye out. This is the best way. Alright, instead of going up into that thing. Come on, you'll be right. Yeah? You take a jump off there, you'll be sweet. You lean down here and you're good. You'll be good. I'll keep an eye, it's all clear. You'll be right. You'll be right. Yeah. There you go. Come on then. Come on. You'll be right. Yeah, you'll be a bit stunned because you're like, fuck, I tried to fly into the sky and I kept hitting my face. I thought it was a murky, whiteout sort of day, but that was harsh. You'll be right. Come on. Come on then. Yeah, that's all right. No, it's not the right way. You're right. This way, this way. This way, come towards me. Alright, I'm going to go past you. You're okay, you're okay. And guess what? Now, maybe I'll go for the tower because I don't want you to fly up towards that low light anymore. You're okay, matey. Get it. There's a box there. That's not really going to help you. Yeah, come this way. Come this way. Come here. Don't go that way. That's dark in there anyway. It's going to be, it makes no sense. And just because you're part of this parent realm, just don't follow what the others say is sense. There you go. You're nearly there. You're nearly there. Keep going. You're nearly there. You went to the box. Keep walking to the other side of the box, and you're there. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Yeah, I'm putting. There's a path. I'm making a path. Yeah, that's the way. I must always to help show you the way. Yeah, yeah. It's that way, but you know, don't go all the way to the top. There you go. Keep going. You're okay. That way. Come on. Yeah, you'll be right. There you go. That's the way. Yeah, nearly. No. Yeah, here you go. Let my hand. Oh, fuck. Oh, we're back at the start. Yeah, I'm going to get a towel. Probably the best. I was done straight away. That's why I'm going to hurt you. Frankly, you hurt yourself without a towel. I get that's the point of using that towel. I'm just sewing up. This is a bit of a heavy towel though. Fuck. A lighter towel. Yeah. Well, I got you to the spot where it was better. And then that sheet probably was already there. And you're right, you're okay. Alright, mate. You're okay. You want to my hand? No, that way. No, down. Okay, that's good. Alright, that's the step. One of the steps. Alright, so what we're going to do. Alright, I'm not going to give you any more of a fright than you already given me. I love me like that. Hey! No, do. Fucking Jesus. Where are you? Oh, you're right at the door. That's a good spot to be. You're right where you need to be. You just got to turn around. Fuck. Oh, matey. You know I'm helping you. And I know it's a fright when you see this. You're right. Come on. I'm trying to help. Where are you? Where are you, matey? Oh, I can't say, where is he? You're right. I know you're getting a fright. I'm probably getting more of one. As much of one. Why is the phones now? But where is it? Where are you? Huh. You alright? Oh, okay. Right, I'm going to try and oh, that's in the way. He's getting on you. What was the point of that? I just was... didn't know. Hang on, matey, hang on, please. Fuck. Where am I supposed to... Alright, you're up now. I'm going to pick you up. I think you're there. I'm not really sure. You're up. I think he's... I'm assuming you have to be there. Ah, okay, thank you for letting me know. Right. Yep, yeah, you're up. I keep saying that and you're like, well, maybe. I can't see. Maybe it's at the point. It calms me, not me so much. Maybe it does. Maybe it's... Shut the fuck up. Alright, bud. I don't want to push you on the wrong spot. Fuck's sake. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, he's there. The guy's telling me. You're right. I got you. Okay, I'm about to pick you up. Sort of. I'm gonna... Somewhat. I think... He's even there. You there? Alright. Who's playing? I don't want to hurt you. Okay, you there? You're alright. Hang on, let me put this properly over here. Oh, this is not the way to... Fucking, it's... Fuck, man, I don't want to... Alright, I'm going to pick this up, and I'm going to do it in such a way that if you're going to fly, and look, I'd like you to, you're going to fly that way. Where are you? Is he there? He's there. Oh man, you're right, dude. I'm trying to just... I'm not trying to... Oh matey, I don't want to... Fuck. Oh, it's a... No, it's a trick, but... Hey! fucking arm. Oh mate. Alright, let's try this way. I'm not very... I've had no experience really with this. I've done it once or twice. Quicker than this. I'm trying to move you out the back, mate. Yeah, I'm trying not, but I can't see where you are. I don't want to put any pressure in any spot. Look, I don't even know if you just put a pigeon in the stir. I don't know what's going on. Okay. Oh, matey. Alright. Now I see the position you're in. Alright, that's better in that sense, because Alright, this is me picking you up. Alright, you ready? Sorry. This way, fucking Jesus. Now he's like, well, you just fucking. That's why I'm supposed to make it seem like, look like. I'll go back to the step. My first thought is like, you'll find a way easier if I'm not in the way. So I'm not going to take the bike out here. Look, taking that. I'm taking this. I'm going to head out, which is what I was going to do. I'm just getting out of the way. Leaving the door open. I'll tell the mother being, she can freak out. I didn't put the van, but she put the heads in the house. Alright, fine. That was nice. Oh yeah, maybe that's partly why. Mate, I'm going to leave I'll put the light on actually. I don't know if it makes any sense. Because you're kind of going towards the light. And yeah, I'm going to leave you there, leave the door open. I'm going to tell the bossy one, whatever, the mother one. Alright matey, I'm going to leave you till alright. And you'd probably be better on that basis. A lot going on in regards to the light, and yeah, much love, no less, any more. Sorry for any additional fry. Yeah, I knew I was in one of these fucking things the whole time, and still I've proceeded, you know, like, I don't fucking know why.
Welcome to the
So it's all the setup. Oh, details. Really, all of those. Alright. Oh, it's just that's broken. I just happened to break at that time. Okay. Well,
Welcome to the Atlantic. Welcome to the Atlantic Tower. Do you already have a reservation? Please touch yes or no. Touch the screen to enter your last name and press enter when finished.
yeah, it's me. I didn't book it under the estate, but you only let me put the estate in there. See, that even isn't even spelled like that. You've done that with a capital though. Oh, you kind of know. I'll put the estates. See if that makes any difference. It's a type of trick. It's hilarious. Good shit, yeah.
Please enter your mobile phone number or booking number. If you book using an online travel agent like Expedia or Booking.com, you will need to use
Okay, obviously before 7:30. Good one. You're fucking hilarious. You booking dot cunts. Okay, I'll try. Let's get it. It's just non-stop fucking hilarious. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I'll try something again. It's pointless. Really. No mobile number exists. You know, they didn't have. I don't know if they. I don't think they have a mobile number. I mean, this is not. Technically, it's not my mobile number, I suppose, but it's the one that I'm holding in my hand. It's prepaid. Alright, let's go.
To proceed with this booking, please review and agree the Atlantic Town Motor Inn terms and conditions of stay.
Oh, it's going to take a while. No, I'm going to be here a while. Longer than perhaps the booking was designed to reflect or otherwise, or incite a fucking reaction. And maybe we get it. Again, it's countdown, pressure's on. I wasn't feeling it, but I agreed because, yeah, I don't know, but I already paid. For one, I thought we were already under a contract because I already fucking paid. What happens if I disagree? I'm going to walk away, but I already paid. Oh, well, dispensing a room key.
The room number and the floor you'll be staying on is shown in the key tag.
I can't hear what the funny saying.
This must be displayed on your vehicle's dashboard if you're using our paid display car park, which has the entrance just located at the traffic light.
They act like they don't know each other, but they know each other.
If you've been provided
That's obvious as fuck.
number, an SMS will be sent to you shortly with a link for you to complete the rest of your check-in via your phone. Staff are on site from 9:30 AM, and if you need anything in the meantime, we have all the information you might need. Have a great day.
Oh, that's fucking great. Alright, it seems as though the script is fucking good. We're laid out. Sick of fucking seeing it. Oh, is that the on bit? Oh, look. It's thrown by all the years of pressing there. Comforted by the fire freaks fucking having access to old spots, and there'd been no live thing seeming other than maybe me anywhere. So that means There's that something. What does that do? Another latch. Yeah. Perhaps. It's a funny latch. It's a wrench. Oh, it's close. Wow. It's easy enough to. I suppose I hold a little bit like that. There's people out the front, well, faux actors or something. Now pretending that they didn't know I'd already let the big fat bloke in. I was being very helpful, so just helpful enough. Because I was at that spot where he was coming in, but then there's another one out there walking a dog, and then they started like talking and pretend that they didn't know each other, and then looking the other ways, and at that point already, look, I'd seen enough before that stage. So everything since that stage has had me a little more glazed. I noticed this direction when I walked out here. It has me thinking, oh, did I forget to have a crap before I left the house? No, I remember to. There's some other crap that went on after that. That seemed to, either way, it was my decision to stay, try and have whatever help that I wasn't able to, but I'll do my best. In the circumstances, leave a little later than planned. I hope my light was on, that turned off. Well, that's expected. Funny, not that newer jam, but then the place is all like fucking closed up, and it's like, wants to, maybe it was as awkward as I let it get. And look, do you want to have someone around all the time to be hassled by guests? Well, I suppose it's the decision you make dependent on, in this civilised, aspired, or predisposed to often losing any semblance to civilised, or any of those that maybe they were inspired upon or aspired. I think that's quite the right way to say what I was attempting or trying to say. And Friday night, Saturday, you think that would be the busiest time. You think that actually if you had a hotel, and it was in the spot that this is allegedly in, probably have someone there, but again, I'm not sure exactly where I'm pulling my memories in from, because in this realm, it's mostly a simulation of what humans, what men and women had heard it was like in the past, and I'm simulating my own circular farce within it, often trying not to complain about the shitty smell in the jar. And I just realised then, like, I got the shits again, like, I feel like did I really go through it? No, apparently not. No, I did, I remember it, I did for sure. I remember it quite well, that's how good it was. But funnily enough, just now, I was thinking, well, I'm going to put this phone down, because this is where I'm going. Oh, blue, the black out there tonight, it's lovely. Often when the sky does that. I don't know if this was the roundabout bit or not. The whole place looked very different from the outside when I arrived. I've never stayed here before, and I've driven past it a million times, but close to that. Alright, nice love. Just going to go, guess what I'm doing? Yeah, I'm going to have a crap. It's fucking cost me a couple $100 and more. It's a probably defeatist attitude, or it's a win attitude, because I might have more. Maybe I have another one tomorrow, it'd be like only $127 or something. I'll be okay. No, thanks for having me up, Andrew. So that was it.
Challenge accepted. Woodside, Australia's leading energy company.
I think it's nice, you know, still. Oh, there's two there. There's two heard because you know how those
with more to come. The semi-final brackets are set.
was that say three? Alright, cool. Good news. So the story's his size is giant, dude. Or the little. I mean, it's awkward as fuck, but who the fuck? Oh, he moved on. He got the word. It's awkward as. Yeah, I'm putting my thing on. Is this supposed to be a shoe marker? It looks like a shoe marker, but I mean.
We are set for an incredible finish to what is night one of an incredible race of champions. It doesn't end here. Tomorrow night, it's all individual glory. It's winner takes all. Who will be the champion of champions? And then in a week's time, Krause, it is the Formula One Australian.
Ooh, but this is like different different races of different vehicles. Some giant, but one giant amongst a bunch of jockey apparent, slightly familiar to me in a way. Anyhow, it's awkward. Fuck, it's weird. Oh yeah.